Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen. Warning, warning, warning. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking barbecue pulled jackfruit burgers with homemade slaw. It's so sunny outside, I've been craving a burger, and these are my favourite burgers to make. So, stay tuned for some delicious cooking. Yeah! Jackfruit is a fruit. When it is unripe, it is a greenish colour and is used as a vegetable. When it is ripe, it is sweeter, so it is eaten like a fruit. It can be used in custards, cakes, even ice cream. Jackfruit is the national fruit of Bangladesh. Due to archaeological findings in India, it was revealed that the jackfruit was cultivated between 3,000 to 6,000 years ago. Believe it or not, but when the unripened jackfruit isn't cut open, it releases a really bad odour. It's meant to smell like rotten onions. Poo, poo, poo. Oh. But when it's cut open, the inside pulp smells like a sweet pineapple or banana. What? There are 100 to 500 seeds inside the jackfruit.
What?
Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit. It can weigh up to 80 pounds. That's the equivalent to the weight of a small black baby rhino, or 53 dozen large eggs, or 4 tires.
Miss G say what?
Jackfruit is rich in vitamins, minerals and fibre. It's really good for hair growth, eyesight, preventing indigestion, heart health, preventing skin diseases, strengthening our immune system, and fighting off wrinkles. Thank you, Jackfruit. Thank you.
La 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 hey 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 la 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 la.
In our homemade slaw, we will be using a red cabbage. Ooh. You may be thinking, why is that called a red cabbage and it's purple? But it's due to the soil in which the cabbage grows. Depending on the acidity within the soil, it changes our cabbage's colour. That's why you can also have green cabbage too.
What?
The flavonoids. Flavonoids? Flavonoids. Flavonoids. Flavonoids! The flavonoids in the cabbage give it its colour. You can also find flavonoids in blueberries and flower petals.
Amazing! Amazing!
Red cabbage is filled with fibre. It really helps our digestion, which gets rid of all the bad stuff out of our bodies. Since the red cabbage and jackfruit help our bodies digest food, I thought we'd learn about our digestive system.
What is the human digestive system?
The digestive system is essentially long tubes that lead from our mouth to our bottom,
Uh-oh.
and
Stinky.
also our liver and our pancreas, which produces and stores digestive chemicals that help to break down the food. Without our digestive systems, our bodies wouldn't be able to get the nutrients from food or get rid of the waste it produces. We would get really sick. Thank you, digestive system. Thank you.
When chewing food, our glands produce saliva. This helps break down the food. It then passes through our esophagus, which leads from our mouth to our stomach. This pushes the food down to our tummy. In our tummies, we produce a substance called enzymes. This helps break down our food so we can digest it properly. The stomach churns food into a liquid. From our tummies, the food travels to our small intestines. Our small intestines can be between 22 to 25 feet long. The food tends to stay in our small intestines for a long time. The liquid is then to enter our bloodstream to give us all that energy and nutrients from the food. Any waste from our small intestines is passed through in our large intestines. It turns the liquid waste into solid waste. Any solid waste comes out of our bottom and makes a food.
I'm gonna chew, 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 chew my food. I'm gonna chew, 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 chew my food. I'm gonna mix it up with my saliva and pass it to the esophagus. The esophagus travels to my stomach. The esophagus travels to my stomach. The esophagus travels to the stomach, where it churns that food. Break it up with the enzymes. Break it up with the enzymes. Break it up with the enzymes and pass it to the small intestines. The small intestines are 25 feet long. Small intestines are 25 feet long. Small intestines are 25 feet long. It breaks up the food and passes along. The large intestines make fluid to solid. The large intestines make fluid to solid. The large intestines make fluid to solid. Then it makes a poo poo poo. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen with Miss G. Woo, woo, woo. I hope you enjoyed cooking today, and I really hope you enjoyed my singing as well. Please subscribe if you want to watch more episodes like this where I cook delicious meals and educate you guys at home. Subscribe for more of this. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss to the messy kitchen.